Friends, a very good evening. This is Mehboob here and I welcome you to this channel known as Reach and Learn. As you know, I have been working on a new project and it is sentence making. It means how to make sentences. Today is the third day of this project. In 2 days, I have already given 2 different ways to arrange words. Today, I will give you another one and it is the third one. Let's see what is it. So friends, the third one is noun plus verb plus adverb. Very interesting. What it is? Noun plus verb plus adverb is equal to sentence. How it is? Let me give you a couple of examples. First one is Rahul plays well. In this sentence, Rahul is a noun, plays is a verb, and well is an adverb. Next one is Sunil walks fast. In this sentence, Sunil is a noun, walks is a verb, and fast is an adverb. Third one is Roma laughs loud. In this sentence, Roma is a noun, laughs is a verb, and loud is an adverb. So this is the third one. That's all for today. Again, I will come back tomorrow. Till then, keep watching Reach and Learn to learn something truly. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great time there. Bye.